always ask why I like Milwaukee Tools so much. Some people go as far as to call me a Milwaukee fanboy. That's not exactly true. The only company I'm loyal to or a fanboy of is VCG Construction and the people that work here. Milwaukee Tool just seems to sell the tools we need to get our jobs done at a price that fits our budget. Milwaukee Tool also seems to be leading the charge when it comes to innovation and new tool releases. In my opinion, Milwaukee Tool is always trying to prove to you, the tradesperson, that their tools should be on your truck or in your tool bag. They also seem to take a lot of their customers' feedback on what new innovative tool should be developed. There is no way you'll ever convince me that Milwaukee Tool didn't bring in a bunch of tradespeople for their real-world experience and feedback when working to develop this new innovative workplace solution that was just announced. We're going to tell you all about how this new Milwaukee Tool changes everything right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. If you want to help out with the channel, head on over to the merch store. You can get the hottest merch in the tool tuber game. Link is in the description. I'm gonna be honest. If Milwaukee Tool had something like this when I was a kid, I might have never got a job as a laborer or helper on a job site. This innovative solution pretty much turns the tradesperson into an octopus. One of my first jobs in the trades was handing the mechanics on the job their tools and holding a flashlight for them. If you ever wished for 2 extra hands, Milwaukee Tool is going to give them to you with their new hands-free underbody light. Milwaukee Tool tells us this innovative light provides users with a strong magnetic base and dual rotation points, delivering directional lighting, hands-free work, and unmatched maneuverability. The M12 Underbody Light is the ideal solution for lighting efficiency and versatility in one desired location. The M12 Underbody Light delivers 1,200 lumens of true view high-definition output for complete coverage in the shop or on the job site. Featuring dual joints that swivel 300 degrees horizontally and up to 100 degrees vertically, the underbody light provides users with multiple orientations and pivot points that direct light in numerous locations. A magnetic base allows it to be mounted on magnetic surfaces for hands-free lighting and adaptability to a range of different workplaces. The arm of the light doubles as a 12-inch magnetic storage tray, providing magnetic bolt attachment for small job site accessories, preventing lost or misplaced items. Powered by M12 red lithium batteries, the light has 3 power modes that provide up to 15 hours of output and runtime on low, and up to 5 hours of runtime on high. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it's resistant to corrosion and common chemicals found in auto body shops. It's IP54 rated and can withstand impacts up to 6 feet. The product number for this new innovative workplace solution from Milwaukee Tool is 2126-21XC for the kit. That includes an XC 4.0 battery, the terrible M12 charger, and a bag, and it has a cost of $259. If you want to know why the M12 charger is terrible, go to this video right here. Or you can get the Bear Tool, product number 2126-20, with a cost of $179. And it'll all be available December 2021. And if you like knowing the specs, prices, and availability of the newest innovative tool offerings from Milwaukee, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. And it ain't like smashing a mirror. You'll get 7 years of good luck. Promise.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.